Khao Sok stands as one of the planet's ancient sanctuaries. That's considerably older than even the Amazon, making it a real-life Jurassic Park. The park is a haven for a diverse range of wildlife, including leopards, elephants, bearcats, and several species of gibbons. These rare animals find sanctuary among the lush foliage and intricate ecosystem of Khao Sok. At the heart of this rainforest paradise is Cheow Lan Lake. It's about a 45-minute boat ride through this primeval forest to our unique accommodation. It's incredibly peaceful,